In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly set up your domain by obtaining and updating DNS records from Lovable AI. This process will involve accessing your DNS settings with Hostinger and ensuring that everything is perfectly aligned for your domain verification. So let's jump right in. First, we need to obtain the DNS records from Lovable AI. Typically, these are either CNAME or A records, which essentially tell the internet where to find your domain's relevant resources, like pointing people towards your website's actual content. To do this, log into your Lovable AI account and navigate to the section where your domain settings are managed. Once there, you'll find the DNS records you need to implement. Keep this page handy, as you'll need to transpose these DNS entries into Hostinger's DNS zone editor next. Now, let's head over to Hostinger. You'll want to log in with your credentials to access your account dashboard. Once logged in, move to the DNS zone editor section. This is where you'll input the newly acquired records from Lovable AI. If this is new to you, Hostinger's interface is pretty user-friendly, so don't worry. You're looking for the DNS zone editor pertaining specifically to the domain you wish to update. When you have your domain selected, you can begin to add the necessary DNS records. Start by following the instructions from Lovable AI regarding whether you need CNAME records or A records. Enter these details carefully. It's crucial to copy the names and values exactly as they appear in Lovable AI's instructions. This ensures that everything will sync up correctly. Remember, DNS changes might take a little time to propagate fully across the internet, so patience is key here. With the information entered, the next step is crucial. Verifying your domain within the Lovable AI dashboard. Go back to the Lovable AI interface and find the verification option in your domain setup area. This step essentially confirms that you've added the DNS records to your Hostinger account correctly. In some cases, verification might be almost instant, but occasionally it can take a bit longer. Give it some time if you don't see success immediately. And there you have it. Your domain should now be verified and aligned perfectly with Lovable AI, thanks to the accurate input of DNS details. If you encounter any issues along the way, double check those pesky DNS entries for any typos, and ensure that everything matches what Lovable AI provides. Following these steps carefully will ensure a smooth setup and connect your domain seamlessly to your desired resources. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials in the future.